Using sprints in Asana is a great way to organize and manage your project work in an agile environment. Here's how to set up and track sprints in Asana. Create a sprint project. First, create a new project in Asana and name it something like Sprint 1 or Sprint Planning. Choose Board View to visualize tasks by columns. Define sprint duration. Sprints are typically 1 to 4 weeks long. Set the sprint start and end dates and create tasks that need to be completed within that time frame. Add tasks to sprint. Add tasks to your project that align with the sprint's goals. Each task can represent a feature, user story, or piece of work that needs to be done. Assign tasks to team members and set due dates within the sprint period. Track progress. Use columns to track the task status. Move tasks through these columns to reflect progress during the sprint. Review sprint at the end. Once the sprint ends, hold a sprint review meeting to assess completed work, discuss any challenges, and plan for the next sprint.